Assalamu alaikum. I am Abdul Rafe. Today I am going to tell you about the rectangle command in AutoCAD. Rectangle is a four-sided figure whose opposite sides are equal. Let's start. Type REC with the help of your keyboard and press enter or spacebar. Now with the help of your mouse, specify the first point, drag your mouse and specify the second point. Here is the rectangle you see on the screen. This is how you can make a rectangle with the help of mouse. Now I will tell you how you can make a rectangle with the help of keyboard with proper length and width. Again, type REC, press enter, specify the first point. I specify it as 0, 0 and press enter. Now I specify the second point. It will 5, 6. Now you can see a rectangle with 5 width and 6 length. Here we can also measure it with this. It is 5 and it is 6. This is how you can make rectangle with proper measurement with the help of keyboard. Now I will tell you a trick. I type REC. You can see with the cursor the REC is typed and different options are also shown below. If you don't want this on your cursor, you just need to press F12. Now you can see I type REC. Now the RC is written below, not with the cursor. Now again I press F12 and again type REC. You can see the RC is written with your cursor. Hope so you liked the video. Please like, comment and share. If you have any question related to the topic, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.